How to book a flight on trip.com. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can book flight on trip.com. In order to book flight on trip.com, you'll have to open up your web browser, or you can also do it with the help of an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So on the web address bar, type in trip.com and make sure that you already have an account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page that looks something like this. Now on this page, click the flights button from the top in order to book a flight. So here you have to go through the categories such as whether it's one way, round trip, or multi-city. So select it accordingly, and on the other interface you'll have to select the type of flight. So here you have to go ahead and tap the search button located right at the bottom. You'll need to go ahead and type in from which airport you'd like to select your current location and click the done button after select the destination. Once you're done selecting the destination, select non-stop if you want to do it so, and click the search button. As soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to show you a list of flights that's available on the following date, or that's available for the following booking. So select the flight whichever is convenient for you. Now it's going to take you to the page where once again you'll have to select the category, select amongst the category, and on the other page you'll have to go ahead and type in the details, that is the first name and the middle name of the passenger, your last name, gender type, nationality, date of birth, ID type, ID number, and click the save button. After that, if you have more passengers, then click add passenger button, and here you have to go ahead and type in your contact info. As you're done entering the contact details, click the continue button, and as soon as you do that, you'll be receiving a confirmation through an email or maybe SMS that the booking has been confirmed, and all you have to do is provide in the basic information that has been asked. So that's how you can book a flight on trip.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.